actually seen a video of that the other day. Someone done a video. I can't remember who it was, but they was riding along and there was like, I think it was a voiceover, like someone just talking. They might have been in a helmet, I don't know. Anyway, get to the point, Zeke. Fucking hell. The point is, they was riding along with two hands on the bars. And they was like, I wonder what it's like to take one hand off. Let me try. And they just do this, and they're like, nope, nope, don't like it.
Oh, I think that might have been fidget.
Really?
Yeah, fidget rides.
Can't remember, but yeah. I found that quite funny.
I'm used to doing one hand now, but I would not do two yet.
You should though, because if you do two, then you can go full Naruto.
No,
makes you super fast.
Especially when it's windy.